Okay, so today I'm going to be working on this MacBook Pro. One of the speakers is blown out. It sounds pretty bad. So I found this one on eBay. I've taken this laptop apart many times, so I just use the 4 outer screws to keep it together. It's been a good laptop. I've had it since 2014 and it's still going strong. Still runs programs, CapCut, everything, all the Adobe stuff pretty well. So taking apart the screws, there's a couple screws or a few screws holding it together, and there's a couple screws behind this motherboard. I've replaced this battery about 2 or 3 times, maybe 2 times. And this ribbon cable, they're pretty robust. They don't just pop them out. There's a second harness that just comes up. This HDMI module is being held in by the fan, and once it comes up, there's one more screw holding the speaker module together. This is the plug for the speaker module, and here is the new one. Going right in just like the last one. Route the plug, and just snaps right in. This has been a really good MacBook throughout its time. I mean, for being so old, it's still fast. It boots up quick. They're highly recommended. They're easy to fix too. Put the ribbon cables back on. They're made of metal, so they're pretty strong. At least this one is. Here we go, putting the screws back together. Temporarily putting this cover on just to test everything out. And here we go. It's working. Thanks for watching. Keep your old MacBook Pros alive.